Hello everyone. Today I will show you how I used GSAP to add snapping in my website. So if I scroll down, I can snap to a particular point in my website. So I am snapping to particular height so that my whole section of height 100 VH is visible and all the content is properly visible. So if I have to add any animation, as a viewer, as a user, I will snap to this particular point and I can see the animation properly. Because if I snap or scroll up to here and the animation starts, I will miss some parts of animation if that animation is like here in this portion. So even if I scroll this much, it will snap to that particular height. Also, this gives very user friendly effect, like it is like sliding like cards, so it looks really amazing. You can use divs over here, and if they move upward, it really feels like you are sliding the cards. So let's see the code. This is my body.jsx, and in my React app, we have app.jsx file where I have added the body.jsx. Now in my body, I have this body container, and these are the 6 divs with class name, section, and body container. Let's see the CSS. So for the body container, I have 100 VW and 100 600 VH, with each section 100 VH, and the color and all the stylings. Now in my body.jsx, I'm just using use effect for now, and I'm using scrollTrigger.create, and then I'm targeting my body dot container, and the top of the body container touches the top of viewport, the animation starts. This is how you will define your trigger points in GSAP. So the trigger is like targeting any element, and the start defines the starting point of your animation. So this value defines the height, or like the starting point of your container or element, and this defines the point of the viewport. So if I put here 30%, so it shows that when the top of my body container touches the 30% of my viewport, the animation will start. And same goes for the end point. So the whole animation will stop at this point. So when the bottom of my body container touches the bottom of the viewport. Okay, and this is scrub, so it defines the smoothness or of our whole animation. For now, let's focus on our snap. So this is snap, and here we are defining the duration and ease. So how this whole animation like goes up and down, like it will start with uh some higher speed and then slow down, so that gives us more smooth effect. And this is the where we have to focus. This is the snap to. So this is the array containing the uh, points where our scroller will snap to. So from 0 to 1, we have this whole starting and ending point, and in between them we are adding all the points, all the height, where we want to stop our scroller. It's similar to like adding opacity. So we have 0 to 1, and we can add 0.1, 2, 3, 0.4, 0.5 as per our need. Same goes here. It's like adding the values in between 0 to 1 as per our desire. So it's like adding percentage. So at 0% we are starting, at 20% uh, we are at 20% of our whole body container. So this is the snap to, and this is how we are snapping. So if I remove these two, let's say, so we will miss those, like we will scroll through last two divs without stopping. So if I remove this, let's go back here, and if I scroll down, r- it will scroll. Look, we scrolled all through all the 4th and 5th section without stopping, and because we have not mentioned those values, we skipped these points. And yeah, so this is how you can add the snap to in your application and can add really awesome animations with it. Or you can just use, instead of like divs, you can add a small like a div, and when you scroll it goes up and the next div seems like coming from down, so it gives very amazing effect of sliding cards. So yeah, that's it. You can just add and enjoy working with GSAP. Hope it was interesting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.